The following segment is sponsored by Eastern Title and Settlement and the Mortgage Link. One of the more challenging parts of the home buying process is going toe-to-toe with other bidders or buyers in a bidding war. So today, we're talking about what you can do if you find yourself in that situation. And joining us today to talk more about that, we have Ben Goldman from Eastern Title and Settlement, Dekisha Posey of the Nexthome Prime Properties, along with Larry Etman from the Mortgage Link, who does have a deal of the day for us, right, Larry?
Yes, I do. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
All right, today's deal of the day is an FHA loan and with purchase price of $250,000 and up, 3.5% down payment with a 96.5% loan to value.
Okay.
The interest rate at a low 6.25%, an APR of 7.063%, and with 0 points.
Okay, this sounds like it's getting better. Is that what I want to?
Well, yes.
Okay.
I mean, the market has been going, it's been heading up, and past couple of days it's maybe dropped a little bit, but we have an incentive deal for the day to hopefully spur a little action.
Right, and one of the most important parts when you are trying to get into that bidding war and you want to be the one who comes out with the home is to get pre-approved for that loan, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Why is that so important?
Well, I mean, it's important for several reasons. One of the the biggest reason would be you need to know what you're looking for. You know, a lot of times people go out there and they're looking for houses in ranges that they can't afford.
Yeah.
So to be effective, to be efficient, and not to waste anybody's time, you get pre-approved. You know exactly what you can spend up until, and then it also helps the realtor hone in on exactly what you'd like to look at.
Yeah. Dekisha, how much time have you wasted showing people houses they can't actually afford in the end? Does that happen?
It does.
If you're not pre-approved?
It does. It happens more often than you think.
Yeah.
And so, like Larry said, just getting the pre-approval. Actually, in all honesty, I ask that they have it before we start showing homes. So just to alleviate looking at houses that maybe they can't afford. Okay.
Have you been helping a lot of people get into these bidding wars and come out on top? What are some of your top suggestions here when it comes to winning the house?
Well, I definitely think that the average buyer needs to have a little patience in this market because you may look at a lot of houses and you may lose a couple of the bids. Yeah. So having patience, but also making a strong offer. Okay. Like the first time, make the strong offer immediately.
So don't go in low for the deal.
No, because we're definitely not seeing too many deals where people are getting concessions and buyers are way more flexible. So having a strong offer is, I would say, really important.
Okay. How's the inventory playing into that right now?
Inventory is starting to build up, but it is still very slow.
Okay. All right. So you're not going to have a lot of options out
Sellers
there if you
are a little
don't
reluctant to put their houses on the market because of the interest rate, but we are seeing some that need to move, of course, and so,
yeah. Now, there was also a tip to save money for little things that are going to happen at the end.
Absolutely. I would say the best thing that you can do right now is be prepared by saving, having that nest egg, saving money, and being flexible. Because we are seeing more people flexible in contingencies, your inspections or your appraisals. So having a little extra money to buy the rate down and do different things is important.
I know, Ben, you see the end all the time. You're brought in for the closing.
Yes, but one thing I just want to say, then Larry can speak to this as well, that any good loan officer or real estate agent, Ms. Keisha here, is going to tell their clients right away, okay, we're out looking for a home. Do not run up your credit cards. Do not go buy a new car. Yeah. Because what the lenders are going to do is they're going to basically run a debt-to-income ratio to make sure you qualify, and the day before you close, they're going to pull it again. And if they see a bunch of new debts and inquiries on there, you may have a problem.
The day before?
The day before.
Okay, that's a great tip. I want to dive more into that, and we're out of time. Thank you all so much for coming in. We do want to take another look at the deal of the day so you can get more information. You want to call, if you do want more information, 833-MTG-LINK or visit themortgagelink.com. Also be sure to follow the Real Estate Top Performers on YouTube to get more advice on buying and selling a home in today's market. Thank you all for all the tips. We appreciate it. Great Day Washington. We'll be right back after this.